Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, Air Around Us. All we know, air is present all around us. We can feel the presence, but we cannot see. Air is a mixture of gases. Right from standard 5 you are seeing that. The different components of air includes nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases with proper percentage. Air plays an important role in breathing and burning. We know the existence of life on the planet is mainly because of the presence of air. Let us see the detail what we are going to see in this lesson. The new words which are introducing are atmosphere, the gaseous envelope surrounding the earth, carbon dioxide, a colorless, odorless gas playing important role in global warming. Composition of air, these are nothing other than the components of air. Oxygen is a gas which is colorless, odorless and tasteless gas essential for breathing and burning process. Nitrogen, an inert gas which makes up major part of the air. Smoke, composition of gases and dust particles. Windmill, an arrangement which runs on air. In this lesson, we are going to see detecting presence of air. What is air? Then we are going to see oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and smoke. Then composition of air, atmosphere, availability of oxygen to aquatic animals and plants. Then again we will see the unending oxygen and uses of air. As I told, we are unable to see the air, but we can feel it. We notice when the leaves of trees rustle or the clothes hanging on the clothesline sway. The moving air make it possible. It is making possible to fly our kite in the sky. We may have noticed that during a storm, the wind blows at a very high speed. It may even uproot the tree and blow off the rooftops. It is a mixture of gases that surround the earth. It is invisible and that has no smell. Children, we are playing with a toy. One such toy with the paper we are making is called firki. You can see the picture of firki in the on the screen also, as well as in the textbook also. You can see page number 15.1. With this fan in our hand, once if we will start to turn with holding in a hand, what will happen? It begins to rotate fast. This shows the presence of air. Because of the presence of air only, it is possible to rotate fast and we are enjoying this game. How to make firki you know well, children. Moving air we can feel, but we can't see. And this air only makes the firki move. It's called wind. We know the direction of airflow is indicated by weather clock. You see the picture of weather clock. Weathercock. What is happening? The air in which direction it flows, the cock will move that direction. It shows that the presence of air. Children, we will see the activity which shows that air occupies space. It is a very common activity. At the time of playing also, you can do this activity. We have to take empty bottle. Once you will look inside the bottle, you will feel nothing inside the bottle. But actually air is that inside the bottle. Take a bottle, now dip it with its open mouth inward inside a bucket full of water. What we will find? The water will not move inside. But as soon as you are tilting the bottle, you will observe that the bubbles begin to come out of the bottle. So why this happens so? This is because the bottle had air inside it. As soon as we are tilting, the air is coming out in the form of bubble, and the space inside the bottle is having space and the water is entering in the bottle. So we can say that the bottle was tilted, the air came out in the form of bubbles, and the water occupied the empty space that the air left behind. This activity shows that air occupies space. Space is there when as soon as the air came out, the space is left behind the bottle and water entered inside the bottle. So we can say that the air occupies space. We are saying it is present everywhere around us. It has no color and one can see through it, means it is transparent. So these are the properties of air. It has no color, it is transparent.